You know, she was passing by the it was about the all right, Banjo, it is Alba. What's the other guy name? I don't know the other guy. Shadow Boxers. Say your name like Shadow Boxers. Wow. Some kind of names. Anyway, I didn't impress with Idris Alba. For that
the way the guy said drop him.
We drop him.
I just see the video though for a long time. Yeah, the thing they come out. Now the first time when I stand with it.
Wow. Anyway, the Banjo, correct one. But down at the other Banjo, we can't get our own main one.
Our own Banjo.
In the building. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got the Banjo here.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers.
He not be the cocoa master.
No.
But this one are the when I say cocoa for cocoa,
inspirational master.
Inspiration cocoa, and every the master of all. Welcome, sir.
Thank you
Welcome,
very much,
sir.
Ebola.
How your weekend?
Go. I mean, a new week where we did.
New week.
We don't face work.
Yes. New week, new things, new hustle, new challenges, and everything. Okay, so last week here, we talk about leadership. And those things when we leader, you will be yourself, go need to put aside body to make sure you sit down well for that chair as leader. Very, very important topic. Most people, you say sometimes, and I like the way our tweets, people that they follow us, they do this thing, because sometimes after we don't talk, many of them will come, they send points from all the things we will talk. Some people will talk one line, send, talk another line, send. Exactly. They just understand what they send them.
How then take understand the thing when we talk.
Yes, many of them don't understand that well at least because I take my time and read through. You're going to say most of them, the one they even understand, they can't open their head to other understanding too. So you go with some things the way you know talk,
that's what it be.
But it still follow for the whole gist. So congratulations to our guys the way they watch us. Now they show us say yes, you know, get brain plenty. Correct one. Keep sending. And they worried me last week Friday, so I not to retweet.
Yeah,
wow.
very
So I beg, Muna no vex. I promise you now.
We will make them official.
We must make. Say we go sit down like this. They read our tweet. Pam. All right. So apologies from our own side. So I got the bunch today now. So what we can enter now?
You know, like we agreed, we'll be discussing today how to handle failure successfully.
Easy bit. You know what I will say make you clap now because I think this thing this morning. A spiritual thing. Not be joke. But I think I'm only say I can't just look say make I leave or get the bunch making carry. I think I'm this morning. Sometimes failure you go need to fail to succeed. Sometimes you need them to ginger yourself.
That's it.
But make I never start all the gist. I go leave every for Oga the bunch to talk. So how to handle failure successfully, Abi?
Handling failure successfully.
All right, so make we hear from you, sir.
Okay. Now, it is very important make everybody where they in this earth, where they under this planet, where they live on this planet called Earth, that failure is not a bad thing. That's where I'm going to start from.
Okay, so Mo don't clear that one.
So if you have failed before in whatsoever area, your career, you fail one exam, you fail one interview, job interview, or you fail embassy interview, any failure at all, where be like say you think say you dey expect success for something, but you can't fail them, you no get them, or you no get there, that thing no become yours.
Okay.
Rejoice, because the only thing where that thing they teach you be say you get one more thing where you supposed to understand before you go move to the other level.
Okay.
Now because failure not be bad thing. Failure is just be an indication say you never really get all the things we go require you to make success.
But you still did the road.
Many people they give up when they fail. You want to do something, you want to achieve something, you they write one exam, you know pass them. For the sake of this show, make I tell people say, I failed jam 3 times.
Bing. 3
times. And now only one subject I they fail. chemistry. All the other subjects I go do well. My first jam where I do, now 16 I score over 100. I try am again, I score 22. The very last time, say, well, I come pass jam, where I take enter university. The only area where I can't where I can't improve well, now my English and mathematics, because I can't score mathematics 91, I can't score 98 for English language. I still score 36
for chemistry.
For chemistry. I still fail am.
But you see at the school last.
Because you now the total mark, not as you take pass
each of them.
Not as you take pass am. Now the total mark then go come hard together.
Yeah.
So failure not be bad thing. How you take see failure is the problem. For example, when you fail, it is just okay that you have failed. And make a quick tell them, say it is a bad thing to fail. Because when you fail, you go feel sad. When you fail, you go dey disappointed. When you fail, it go be like say the whole world won't crumble on top your head.
Yes.
You go feel for inside your body, it go be like say you no go feel do anything again. But make we use this show, tell our people where they watch us, say failure not be bad thing. Failure, why it is bad in itself, say make person fail. But make you know they see failure any longer after watching this show. Say failure not a bad thing. Because failure, they always, because you will never, read my lips, no man will ever succeed in life without failing.
Note.
Failure na part of success.
Note, yes. Nobody will ever succeed for this life if you not first fail.
So you have to begin to see failure as part of success. For instance, make I give you one simple analysis. Before, now, when two people enter a boxing ring, now around 12 then they go.
Yes.
Now, this person, maybe now, make we consider, maybe now me, Ogbolo and myself, they for the ring, with the bounce, with the do our thing.
Yeah.
Round 1, you take more points, pass me. Round 2, you beat me. I fall down, then count for me. By the time I reach 7, I come out. I see the bounce. Round 3, I enter. I manage. Round 4, round 5, round 6, round 7, round 8. And you just they take points. Carry go till round 11. All those points where they don't hard for you, everybody go for stadium, don't they hear, say, finally, Ogbolo don't win. All I need in round 12, now technical knockout. All your points go cancel.
You don't reduce.
You not be reduced, cancel.
Cancel straight.
Just one technical knockout. It go knock everything up.
Just sleep. All those points.
It don't clear. So now failure and success they be. Always they remember that any time where you fail, you are just a step away from succeeding.
And using that description where you take to just now. So you know, so all that time where probably like a Ogbolo now the throw points and points. For Ogbolo side now, it be like success.
Yes.
And for inside, it be like say for all those rounds where they go through, fail. But the final round, knockouts come, boom. Victory.
And the reason be say, for those rounds where you don't take plenty points, I feel tell my coach, say, I know they fight again. This guy say all the points where you don't take now. How I feel make up.
Yes.
But there's always this thing, and it's in everybody's life. That part where you get your last chance, that is the time where you don't do everything. Different from the time where you fail. And this time to succeed. And there are so many factors, that so many things where you suppose they do. Anytime where you don't fail, I get like 5-6 things where I want to tell our people, make it they do if you want to make success out of your failure. You know what we they talk about? How to undo failure successfully. Because a lot of people know they undo failure well.
Yes,
some people they commit suicide.
Yes.
Some people they give up completely. Just say, I know they do them again. I don't fail twice now. Why are they try?
Because at the same time, if you want to look this thing, largely, because some people tell you, say, you not really be failure until you decide, say you be failure. Until you throw in the towel.
Yes.
Until you say, okay, I don't do it again, and then you don't be failure.
Yes,
but if you fall, if you still rise, dust your shoulder, waka again. You understand? So, quickly, we'll go on this short break. We'll come back from this break. We'll come knock the 5 or 6 of those points. How you need to handle failure successfully to your own benefit. Any kind of failure. Whether not failure for school, failure for your hustle, for your career, for your marriage, relationship. You go fit, put all of these points that we'll go knock now into all of those areas, and it go help you as person. So when they come back now, no go anywhere. Po.
Yeah. Shadow boxing. I never tell her number one baby we got the sexy bikini look me safe at the nine name sometimes Sabi and we see how you there wish like a balloon the bounce and like inside the club rub the bounce and like duck the whole shot last night.
All right. Okay, so quickly, how to handle failure successfully. So now we'll begin with the points then, back to back. Ogade Banjo, more hear from you, sir.
Now, this man, Michael Jordan.
Yes.
Now, one person where they play basketball.
Yes.
And the world don't recognize him as the best basketballer we ever exist for this planet.
Yes.
And he talked something where make sense to me. He said, failure is not a bad thing. But if you allow the consequence and the effect of failure on your life, it will make you eventually give up on life and you will never make it. Don't forget, say the focus of everybody for life now to succeed.
Yes.
And in the process of wanting to succeed, you have to do some things or you go meet some things for road. We no go allow you one cross to the other side. So number one factor, be say, if you want to handle failure successfully, where you supposed to be say, one, you must look inward.
Okay.
Don't look at the external factors where they around you, will make you fail. Number one thing, we say, for instance, make I give you one small scenario. If I want pass somewhere now, and I know say somebody don't put wire for down, and I still pass, or I dey pass inside a place where darkness dey, I no fit even see my immediate front, but I see the waka inside there, I can't fall down. When I get up, two things go happen. One, I remain there so that people feel they pity me, people feel can't carry me up, tell me sorry, which a lot of people they do when they fail.
Yes.
Then they allow people, make them come, they pity them, say, hey, yeah, you don't try, yo.
Pity party.
You don't get her. They say, you don't try, yo. So number one thing what you supposed to do when you want to undo failure successfully, be say, look inward, find out, wetin make me fail.
Inside yourself.
Inside yourself, wetin make me fail. And you see, everything where they around you feel they lie to you. Even sometimes people they lie to you now, you know say na lie, but you chose to not tell them say na lie you they talk. You still pretend say you believe them. But inside you, you know say the person a lie.
Yes.
Even you when you they lie, you know say you they lie. Even if the person when you they lie to no.
Yes.
So you are the only person where fit tell yourself the truth. So at a point you go, no, why I fail English? I no read enough. My mate, they go library, I no go. The textbook where they recommend, I no get and make I read them. My mate will pass them, then they read like 12 hours. Me, they read like 4 hours. How I go fit score the same mark like them? So now you go know the reason why you fail.
Exactly.
And because you know them, now you go determine for your mind. Let me tell you, there are 3 Ds about success. Anybody who wants to succeed for life, you have to pay attention to these 3 letter D. Okay. Number 1, be say, you must be devoted.
Okay.
Number 2D is you must be determined.
Okay.
Number 3D is because you must desire success. Because anybody who no desire success, you no go succeed. But a lot of people they know the desire. So you must be devoted, you must be determined, you must desire it, and the 4th D be say, you must be very disciplined. Discipline and another thing will matter for success. For instance, if you be boxer and they tell you, say, you have to jog 250 meters every day to gain stamina. And your coach there for the place where you start the jogging. He say, jog, go there, jog, come back. because I do am when I dey learn to box.
Okay.
Our coach go dey point A. He go tell us say, jog go Iwaya.
Okay.
Come back, jogging. But when we reach road, we know say our coach no dey there. We go walk.
It's true.
When we come turn for the place where we supposed to turn, we go reach there. We go, when we come the turn, when we don't they see, they come near where our coach fit see us say we know they run. We go come they run. And then our coach, when we reach destination, go say, nice guy. You guys, you are future winners. He go bring us. But inside us, we know say we know do the thing we coach do.
So now you know yourself.
That's why I see there here now. I no succeed for boxing. I fail Yakata.
Oh, blood.
If not, I for fight boxing for Nigeria.
Well, for now they see you now.
You know,
represent Nigeria.
I go just stay there. Maybe na coach I go don't become now. You know, and all of that. So you must understand. Say the reason why you fail. Now you supposed know. No wait for pity party like you talk. No wait for people make them not tell you. You know the reason why you fail. Now like this. Now like this. Now like this. So number one thing be say find out the reason. Waiting contribute to the things which make you fail.
Okay. So number two thing be say you got to understand that as we don't talk at the beginning, say failure is next to success. Anybody will never fail before may not appreciate success. So after you go down identify the things will make you fail the first place, number two thing where you supposed to do be say plan now to succeed the next time. Okay. So that one plan to succeed the next time. Okay. Because you don't do it once or you don't do it twice. Yes. Even if you don't do it 10 times and you still dey fail am. Plan for the 11th time where you want to succeed. To succeed. Even if you fail the 11th time and you plan again to succeed for the 12th time when you want to. Okay. Because planning to, if you no plan to succeed, you don't plan to fail with that. Exactly. That's why you must always have to plan to succeed at all times. Even though you may don't try. You never mind. No mind the number of times where you don't try. I remember Michael Jordan when they talk, he said, I remember how long it took me to make my first shot. It took me a long time. At a point in time, something they tell me inside me say, this rim is too narrow for this ball. He said, but the people where they play basketball before, where they pot this, where they put this thing, not the same ring now. He go check him, he says, not the same ring, they never change the size of the ring, not the same thing. He can't check the size of the ball. He discovers it not the same ball. Thing. He said, now me be the problem. I no get this thing where. He can't they practice. See, waiting Michael Jordan come become. So sometimes when you don't try to succeed and failure they come. The devil and things around you go they suggest to you, you go they think, this rim narrow, then change them. Why they come make them small? Yes. This ball, you not be like say this ball fi enter this thing because it's too narrow. We'll show you that things for outside. I'm telling you, the problem with those things. Now lie, now plan. Go plan well. That's now number two. So number two be say plan to succeed the next time when you want to do that thing. Number three be this. After you don't identify the thing will make you no pass or no succeed the first time. Number two, you don't plan to succeed the next time where you want to do it. Number three thing where you supposed to do be say you must be ready to fail again. You don't say you don't plan to succeed. Yes. If you make up your mind, say after this time, if I not succeed, I not go do them again. Now you be say you don't create platform for failure because you know go fit won't try them again. You understand? Yes. So people know they too prepare for failure because then think say failure on a bad thing. But failure, if they show the person will make electricity. Go about instinct. Go find out how many times where he failed before he finally do it. Abraham Lincoln, see how many times where he failed to become the president of Nigeria. He failed many times, but eventually became the president of America. Sorry, that's in Nigeria. Sure, you understand? Yes. Make we consider Buhari will be our own. Exactly. How many times where he failed? He failed, of course. So many failures. Yes. At a point in time, he fight, he go court, he do everything, but he still they contest. Yes. You know the last time when in contest, he said, you know, they contest again. But he can't see factors. Everything they work, say, if he try this time, he be like, say, if he win, he change his mind. Yes. Now, person we won't succeed. Exactly. I'm saying give up the last time. If he give up the last time, you know, if he try him, he no pass him the first time. Yes.
The third time, he said, I know they do. Since I know Pastor now, he cry for television. He said, since because they consider in age.
Yes,
Those are some of the things where people they consider.
Yes.
They consider so many things. People, they laugh me. My colleague, they feel, say, I don't do them many times and I don't fail. So I no go do them again because shame, they catch me.
Okay.
Which shame? Shame is an enemy of success.
Yes.
So you must put shame aside. So plan that if failure come again, you go try again. But because people know they too make chance for failure. When they come, they hit them.
Yes.
They affect them badly.
Yes.
So you have to realize. So after when you don't realize, waiting make you fail the first time.
Yes.
Plan. Say the next time when you do that thing, you go succeed. Number three. Have failure.
For back of your mind.
Expect. Expect them. Not be say you dey plan for them, but expect say when they come.
Yes.
I go come to point 2. I go try them again. Even when I fail. Now determination.
Because
if they make you, if they prepare you, say,
yes.
even if this one no gel,
yes.
I think I go try them again. I go try them again.
Now
and
only
that trial,
yes,
they make us succeed. It
that
don't matter. It don't matter how many times where person don't fall.
Yes.
The only problem with they with falling be say you remain for where you
that
fall.
place, that same place where you sit down put. Now only successful man are in the fit think like this. If you miss most of the successful people for this world,
go
if they
find
tell you
out
how many times they fail, you say go shock. You know, but now the man like Oga the Banjo, then the man will sit down for that place where you fall put, and I don't turn to ultimate failure. All right, so we'll stop for these 3. We'll go on this quick break. We'll come back. We'll talk the remaining them. Okay, how you gonna need to handle failure successfully. All right, so we'll come back now. More see this funny video to make everybody mind calm down small. Think the one we don't talk so far away. Drink small water. Just do okay. Digest time. Make it enter different place for your body. Obayagbo of every. Yeah, oh blood. That guy.
That is one thing.
You're gonna form different language for that thing.
You know you're pepper soupy, big stouty.
No, but serious, Then one of the political entertainers we get for this country.
Not the entertainer.
Not be joking. You know, see one channel where we come one time for their district.
There was one of his stuff when I watched. As they talk, he never knock grammar. People hear the verse. As he all knock, they say, yeah, you are talking.
We didn't wait to see it. Patrick of Bayago. All right. So, guys, we still talk about the whole issue of handling failure successfully. And before now, don't talk about 3 different points, but we'll go over everything we don't talk about so far, sharply, because not to get time on our hands. The remaining points, them, we'll continue on next week. So make sure, say, you watch next week to complete the points, then, you know, because no one rush everything. Because it's on a very, very big topic. All right, so more just hear from Oga the Banjo, just go through everything we don't talk about so far before we go come out for the whole topic.
You know, it is another very important thing where everybody, man or woman or young or old or white skin or dark skin, is to understand that life is not a bed of roses. Things does not come, nothing they come just by chance. Things are better gotten when they are worked for.
Okay, now me say so, you go appreciate those things that when you don't hustle for pass. Those ones that will just come for your hand easy.
Exactly. And that is why when you are facing the challenges of life, prepare yourself, prepare your mind. Prepare for your mind, say, not be say, I dey expect I'm cheap.
Okay.
At the same time, not be say, I won't die trying. So at the same time, waiting they make people they succeed for life, be say they know they give up. Okay. Don't you ever give up. And you know the popular saying, you know, by one of these popular writers, John Maxwell, he said, quitters don't win and winners don't quit.
Exactly.
So people need to understand, say, if you want to succeed in anything where you they do, now your career, you want to write exam, pass, you want to do business, succeed, anything at all where you want to do. I get one friend. We try. He won't travel abroad. There nothing where he know try. He can't manage try at a point in time. They can't pick him for where he go market for London, go buy some things. Now there, Imigi, they call them Imigi for United Kingdom. Now so then catch carry am, bundle am. They not carry am pass house. So
straight to the airport. Hey.
Nah, Muritala Mohammed airport. He just called guys, said, guys, make it come. Yeah. We reach there, they say, okay, make we go do something, do something. We shall bail him, we carry him, go house. For more than 2 months in Nigeria, we no fit allow him parents say he don't reach here.
Right.
He said he won't die. Say the best thing not to die, not to go, not to do everything. We can't encourage him, they talk to him. Say, no, give up, no worry. We can't, after like 6 months, he go appear for house. His parents can't understand, say, no worry. And so we wait there for ground, we can't encourage him. I say, you go school now. Why you no just dust your pali? Make we see how we do
some kind of things.
Now so he can't write some exams. Write PMP, pass him. Write some professional exam, pass him. Before we know him, now so slumber their employer. You know when they employ him, they can't tell and say, after when he can't work for a year, for 6 months, they can't convert him to international staff. Now so they move and go Yankee permanently. Somebody we don't suffer. Struggle. He just won't leave outside this country. He try everything where if he do. Then they bounce him.
Yes.
So quitters don't win,
and
winners
don't quit. Ladies and gentlemen, we really appreciate our Banjo today. Thank you very, very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Say you through all this knowledge for us. We don't hear the final thing we talk just now. Winners don't quit, and of course, quitters don't win.
Yes.
If you don't hold anything this night, hold that side, okay? If you want success for this life, you must never give up. We talk about the 4 Ds, how you go dey devoted, how you go dey determined, how you go dey desire for success, and how you must dey disciplined. If you know say you want, you want hold success for hand. And we'll talk about how to handle this issue of failure successfully. First, we say make you look inside, not be outside. Look inward. Why you fail? Ask yourself that question. That will even help you to work on yourself better. And then the second one, so failure, you must plan now to succeed the next time. I mean, say the next time you want, even if at the 11th, 12th time you fail,
no matter.
Plan for the next time to succeed. You understand? And then the final one we'll talk about today is be ready to fail again. Just put them for mind, say failure will still come. But now I don't ready for the whole thing. If you like me, show yourself, but I go show am back. Say, miss, I don't ready finish.
You too
all right?
much. You too much.
Oh, easy beat. I dey feel myself. Ladies and gentlemen, on top of this level, we'll say good night to everybody. Mona jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for the, express your own Sabi on top of the whole thing. How the whole thing touch you and where it touch you. How you feel about the whole level, all right? And from here, we'll say good night to everybody. I got the Banjo one more time. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.